What is good, YouTube? We are back with another video. Today is May 12th. It's currently 11 a.m. lunchtime. But we have our trade of the day right here. I'm gonna quickly break it down. So obviously we know we are at all-time highs, right? Oh my god, look at all these draws that we've left behind. But as you can see on this daily candle, today is the first day that we've actually bled and have given a bearish candle in the past like 6 days, 5 days. So, and obviously the daily candle is incorporating current price action, but even before this daily candle was fully showing bearish structure, if we go to the 4-hour, we were just bleeding. We were bleeding all morning. CPI was pretty mid. We did have CPI this morning, but I'm not going to say it was a factor in, it might have been, I don't know. But we had, we go to the 4-hour time frame and we just see that we're just bleeding heavily. We are, even though you can still be bullish because we are at all-time highs, the structure before we even come into market open is just showing us that we're creating a lower high. So seeing that, I believe it was right. Which candle was it? I don't know which candle it was, but I believe that we didn't end up. Yeah. So it was this. I think it was this candle right here, but we didn't end up flipping this 4-hour. So, and we also had an SMT, which was kind of irrelevant for today. And I woke up late, so I didn't really get to see any potential plays that could have been taken prior to me waking up. But from when I woke up, I saw this consolidation. Right, we have this consolidation right here, and we started to bleed. Coming into our overnight session, we started to bleed, and then it seems like we have this accumulation period, consolidation, whichever one you want to call it, manipulate higher, and now we're distributing once again. I believe this was like a 200-point move, so I guess you could classify that as manipulation. I do believe there was some longs that could have played out. I think we had a long off the open right here. Something like this could have played out. Nice 90-point trade targeting all this LR that we've built up. And then, okay, here's what really matters. Okay, so we have this 5-minute bearish gap right here. And I saw this get inversed, but I didn't really have any real conviction on it to take longs. There was that inverse, and then we had this long right here. So this would have played out, but once again, I woke up late. So if I was to take it, I would have gotten a terrible entry, right? I would have had a terrible entry, but I did like this play right here. Inversing this 5-minute, there was a 1-minute gap right here as we saw, and you're taking it to the unfilled or potentially these highs right here, and it would have been a cool little play. As you can see, there is a buy bid, and I tried to take longs. I did front run. Okay, yeah, this gap right here, I front ran. So yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I did like longs after we inversed this 5-minute gap right here, and I did front run this gap thinking that we would have went higher. Once again, targeting this 248 high, potentially this our New York AIM highs for today, and that would have been a nice clean play. But due to the failure to flip this 1-minute gap, along with a what's it called? We failed to flip the gap, And then right after we failed to flip the gap, we sold off pretty quickly. We have this bullish gap right here. I took my short off of it because if we are really bullish and we get off this 5-minute bearish inverse, we really do want to just see price flip this gap right here. Once again, I would have preferred an entry right here. So failure to take out this gap right here probably would have made me go break even. But since we failed to flip this bearish gap, created this one, and we inversed it pretty well. I like this. This is a clean inverse. Now it's just, can I take this to the lows, to the draws that we have? And as we can see, we have these equal lows right here. And then we also had some lows right here, which is the top of our 1 hour bullish gap. So super clean play. I took it for 90 points. Today was a full win day, 1,300. Once again, just looking to pass by, what's today, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and just get back to where I'm supposed to be. But yeah, not too much for today. Probably gonna go back to sleep. Hope y'all boys caught a dub. Why not us? Why not us, man?